Dear students, let us learn about rationalizing the denominator. Take an example 1 by root 3. Here, look at the numerator and denominator. 1 is the numerator, which is a rational number, and root 3 is the denominator, which is irrational number. Now, you have to make denominator a rational number by multiplying root 3 by some number. So by which number you have to multiply to the denominator to make it a rational number? Write 1 by root 3. So think by what number you should multiply to root 3 to make it rational number. You have to multiply by root 3 because root 3 into root 3 is root 9, that is equal to 3. While multiplying to the denominator, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number so that it doesn't make any difference with 1 by root 3 because 1 by root 3 into 1 is equal to 1 by root 3 only. Now multiply numerator with the numerator. 1 into root 3 is 1 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 1 root 3 is root 3 divided by 3. Now the denominator has become a rational number. This is how we rationalize the denominator. Take next example 1 by root 2 plus root 3. Here 1 is the numerator, which is rational number. Root 2 plus root 3 is the denominator, which is irrational number. Now we have to rationalize the denominator. One by root 2 plus root 3. Now to rationalize this denominator, by what number you should multiply? So we have to multiply by root 2 minus root 3. If it is root 2 plus root 3 in the denominator, we have to multiply by root 2 minus root 3 to make it a rational number. So while multiplying, multiply both numerator and denominator. So it doesn't make any difference with the given number. One by 1 into root 2 minus root 3, that is 1 into root 2 is root 2, 1 into root 3 is root 3. So root 2 minus root 3 divided by, multiply the denominators, root 2 plus root 3 into root 2 minus root 3. So this is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So here a is root 2, b is root 3. So root 2 square minus root b square, that is root 3 square. So 2 minus 3. Root 3 square is root 3 into root 3, that is 3. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. It is a rational number. So root 2 plus root 3 into root 2 minus root 3 is root 2 square minus root 3 square. So root 2 minus root 3 divided by root 2 square is 2 minus 3. So root 2 minus root 3 divided by minus 1. You can keep as it is or you can simplify this. So no need of writing 1 in the denominator. Take minus to the numerator and minus of root 2 minus root 3. Now multiply the whole equation by minus. Minus into root 2 is minus root 2. Minus into minus is plus root 3. So here denominator is 1. So it is a rational number. Now we rationalized the denominator. So let us see one more example. 2 by 5 minus root 3. Here numerator is 2, which is rational number. Denominator is 5 minus root 3. Sum or difference of a rational with the irrational is always irrational. So 5 minus root 3 is irrational number. So 2 divided by 5 minus root 3. Multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number. Here to rationalize the denominator we have to multiply by 5 plus root 3. If it is 5 minus root 3 in the denominator, multiply by 5 plus root 3. For the numerator also same number, 5 plus root 3. Put the bracket because it is a binomial. Now multiply numerator with the numerator. 2 5s are 10 plus 2 into root 3, that is 2 root 3. Then multiply denominator with the denominator. 5 minus root 3 into 5 plus root 3. That is in the form a minus b into a plus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. So 5 minus root 3 into 5 plus root 3 is equal to 5 square minus root 3 square. So 5 minus root 3 into 5 plus root 3 is equal to 5 square minus root 3 square. So 10 plus 2 root 3 divided by 5 square is 25 minus root 3 square is 3. So 10 plus 2 root 3 divided by 22. You can simplify this because there is common factor in the numerator. 10 and 2 are divisible by 2. So take 2 outside. 2 5s are 10. 5 plus root 3 divided by 22. Now we can cancel 2 and 22. 2 1s are 2 11s are. So remaining 5 plus root 3 by 11. This is the simplified form. We can stop in the previous step also because it is already rationalized. Now take next example, 1 by root 5 plus 2. Now by what number you have to multiply to make it rational number? We have to multiply by root 5 minus 2. If it is a root 5 plus 2, multiply by root 5 minus 2. Multiply to both numerator and the denominator. Now 1 into root 5 is 1 root 5 minus 1 into 2 is 2 divided by root 5 into root 5 root 5 plus 2, root 5 minus 2. That is in the form a plus b into a minus b. It is equal to a square minus b square. Here it is root 5 square minus 2 square. You can write directly. Root 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 4. Root 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 4 is 1. No need of writing 1 in the denominator, that is root 5 minus 2. This is about rationalizing the denominator.